So welcome, my name is Teresa Rich, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to find the best quality of ear candles. Now this is what an ear candle is, and when you come on an ear candling course, you want to be using the best products for when you're working on clients. Now, if you get them off Amazon, you've got to be Amazon or anywhere really. You just want to be careful that they're not plastic. They should really have constituents of beeswax, cotton, flaxseed, hemp seed. If they're organic, that's even better. You want to make sure that they've got quite a tight filter on the top, okay? Because normally we burn the candle from the top and this gets placed in the ear with a covering. So that's some of the basic stuff you want to make sure that's correct when you have that, because you don't want to be ordering plastic and then all this steam comes out the end, and you don't want that going in your ear. Sometimes companies will have a slight amount of aromatherapy oil in them. This isn't a broadcast to tell you which oils to use or which companies to use for purchasing these, but really it's about finding the best candles for yourself. So some of the things you want to be aware of is that you have a marker that allows you, that tells you on the actual ear candle not to burn beneath that. This prevents any combustion or residue falling into the filter. So it's known as a safety area. So as well as getting, sometimes you have aromatherapy oils that make up different colours of these. You want to make sure that they're actually essential aromatherapy oils, sometimes like chamomile, rosemary, etc. And you also want to be careful that the client is not allergic to those specific oils. But a basic ear candle will be filled with, it will be made up of beeswax, cotton, organic cotton. It is actually really important that when you decide to use these candles, that you learn from an accredited provider. So if you are interested in learning how to use these candles with mama points and lymphatic drainage and massage of the head and face, and to do it safely, then we do deliver online courses in this precisely. So we normally like people to have their anatomy and physiology qualification prior to doing that, and that's normally the ITEC qualification level 3 if you're based in the UK. So if you want to know more, my name is Teresa Rich from reflexologyuk.org. Come and find me over there. There'll be a link provided below.